Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you add multiple accounts on TikTok in 2023, you came to the right video. In this video guys, I'll show you exactly how to do that and in a very easy and clear method as well. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it already. First, we need to go ahead and open the Play Store or App Store to get something out of the way. Since we're going to be using the TikTok app, it is better to go ahead and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions to make sure both of us are on the same page and that everything works properly in the app itself. After that, you can quit from here. Now open TikTok. Make sure you are logged into your account and then simply go ahead and open your profile by tapping this icon in the bottom right corner of the screen right there. Here we are on your profile guys. From here, to switch to other accounts and basically add multiple accounts, first you can tap here on your name. That should be in the top of the screen right there guys. From the bottom of the screen, you get this menu. At the very bottom, as you can see, it says add account. Once you tap there, you'll be taken to the screen where you can go ahead and log in to your accounts, or you can create accounts if you don't have multiple ones ready. So that is how you can basically do that. You can even do that by going back to your profile and then tapping on the three lines in the top right corner instead. So I'm gonna go back from here and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then tap on settings and privacy at the top, or bottom excuse me, and then from here scroll down all the way to the bottom and then tap on switch accounts. Once you log in, you can tap there again and tap on add account in the bottom to do the same thing I have mentioned before. So that is basically how can you add multiple accounts on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and see you in future videos guys. Peace.